Welcome to Physics Demonstration Instruction video. Here I'm John Ray from Department of Physics of NS1SU. And we're going to talk about the cell-phone and physics principle behind. In the video, later in the video, we are going to discuss what is Bernoulli principles, also how a sailboat can go with the opposite direction of wind. Also, we are going to talk about how you can balance on a sailboat. Also, we are going to talk about the difference between sailboat and the sailboat. And hope you enjoyed the video.
Hello everyone, I'm Ping, a student from Physics Department of Zhongshan University. Today I'm going to talk about how the boat sails against the wind. First of all, let's see the picture. I will tell you how the wind affects the boat. When wind hits on the sail, it makes two forces, one vertical to a boat and one is parallel to a boat. The vertical one is made directly by wind, and the parallel one is made by a Bernoulli effect. And if today we want to drive the boat straight forward, we need to eliminate the vertical forces. As a result, we will set a central bolt to eliminate it. However, if you want to drive the boat against the wind, it has some condition. That is to say, the angle of wind and sail must larger than a certain angle, which is about 45 degrees, to make sure the force is enough to make the boat move. And now let's see this picture. If we want to drive against the wind, we cannot go straight forward, since the sail and the wind must have an angle. So we need to drive as a leisure, like this.
Hello everyone, I am Qian Wenzhe. I am the student in the Department of Physics. Today, I am going to introduce the physics of sailboat. Most of people think that sailboat can go forward is because of the wind pushing the sail. But actually, there is the other reason that makes the sailboat go forward. It's because of Bernoulli's principle. And what is Bernoulli's principle? It's based on the conservation of energy. And also, it is in the ideal fluid. What is ideal fluid? You have to follow the three conditions. First, stable. The fluid in a speed will be unstable. And the second, incompressible. If the fluid is not incompressible, it may change its density when it's fluid. And third, non-viscous. The fluid should not release the viscous between itself and container. And based on this, we can get this equation. So from this equation, we can find a special case. If the height didn't change, the speed becomes faster and faster. Its pressure will become lower and lower. So at this time, if there is a sail and there is two different speeds of the wind, one is faster and one is slower. The faster one will have the lower pressure, and the slower one will have a higher pressure. Then the sail will get a force because of different pressure. At this time, the sailboat can go forward, and that is why Bernoulli's principle makes the sailboat go forward.
Hello everyone, I'm the Department of Physics student Liu Xiping. Now I want to talking about something about static equilibrium
sailboat. When wind blows to the sailboat, the sail will feel a force to make sailboat go forward, but also make boat have a torque. So we need to do something to balance this torque. Look at this page. When wind blows to the sailboat will have a torque to make boat have make boat shake. So we need move human body to windward to use this human body's weight to balance this torque. This movement is called ballast. Look at next picture. When we blow to the sail from the behind, this boat will have a torque to make this boat clockwise. So we need something weight at windward to balance this torque.
Now I'm going to introduce the section. When you put it down into the water, the centrifugal flow, which corrupts the vertical force, and so that we can go more smoothly. Now we are going to talk about the difference between sailboat and sailboat. The main difference of them is the rudder of the sailboat is flexible, while the rudder of the sailboat is fixed. So when we are on a sailboat, we are trying to control our direction. We can push the boat, and the sailboat will go windward. While when we pull the boat, the boat will go leeward. On the other hand, when we are trying to control the sailboat, we are going to lean the sail forward to let the hull go leeward, and we are going to lean it back to let it go windward. Now I'm going to introduce the rudder. The rudder of the sailboat can change the direction of the water, so we can control the direction of the sailboat. This is the end of our introduction video. If you like the content, please continually follow us on the website. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.